Have you ever looked at the night sky and seen the moon run red like a glowing ember? That magical moment is called a lunar eclipse. But do you know what really causes it? Does it affect our planet, our health, or even our mood? And most importantly, what should we do when it happens? Today, we will explore the amazing world of lunar eclipses, what they are, why they happen, what effects they bring, and the best guidance to follow during this beautiful cosmic event. A lunar eclipse happens when the earth comes between the sun and the moon. The earth's shadow falls on the moon, making it look dark or red. This can only happen during a full moon. There are three main types of lunar eclipses: total, partial, or penumbral. In total eclipse, the moon is fully covered by Earth's shadow. In a partial eclipse, only a part of the moon is darkened. In a penumbral eclipse, the shadow is very light and you might not even notice it easily. The main cause of a lunar eclipse is the perfect alignment of the sun, earth, and moon. When the sun's light is blocked by the earth, it cannot reach the moon. The reddish color that appears during a total lunar eclipse is caused by the Earth's atmosphere. Sunlight bends around the earth and scatters, leaving red and orange light to fall on the moon. This is the same reason why we see red sunrises and sunsets. Lunar eclipses do not happen every month because the moon's orbit is tilted compared to the Earth's orbit around the sun. They usually happen at least twice a year, but sometimes there can be 3 or even 4 in a single year. The time between two total lunar eclipses can vary from months to years. Lunar eclipses are natural events and do not harm the earth. Animals that depend on moonlight, like owls or nocturnal insects, may change their behavior during an eclipse. Tides are not directly affected by lunar eclipses. They are mainly influenced by the moon's gravity, not its shadow. Plants and the environment remain safe during this event. There are many myths about lunar eclipses. Some cultures believe they bring bad luck, while others see them as a sign of change. Scientifically, a lunar eclipse does not harm human health. However, some people may feel emotional or spiritual effects because the moon has always been connected to human feelings and traditions. Pregnant women are often advised by tradition to stay indoors, but there is no scientific evidence that an eclipse causes harm to babies. Throughout history, people have seen lunar eclipses as mysterious and sometimes frightening events. Ancient cultures believed they were a sign of anger from the gods or a warning of upcoming disasters. In some traditions, people used to bring drums or make loud noises to save the moon from a monster or dragon they thought was eating it. Today we know these are just stories, but They show how important the moon has been in human life for centuries. Scientists study lunar eclipses to learn about the Earth's atmosphere and the moon's surface. When sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere during a total eclipse, it reveals details about our air quality and dust levels. Atmospheres also use these events to teach people about space, orbits, and the relationship between the Earth, Moon, and Sun. The good news is that lunar eclipses are completely safe to watch with unaked eyes. Unlike solar eclipses, do not need special glasses or equipment. Just go outside, find a dark place with a clear sky, and enjoy the view. Binoculars or a telescope can make the experience even better. You can also take photos or record videos to capture the memory. There is no need to fear a lunar eclipse. It is a natural event. If you follow cultural or religious practices, you can continue them respectfully. Some traditions suggest fasting, praying, or staying calm during the eclipse. Do not believe in harmful myths such as avoiding food or water unless it is part of our and your tradition. Parents can use this time to teach children about astronomy and science. With modern technology, we can predict lunar eclipses hundreds of years in advance. Space agencies often share live podcasts, making it possible for everyone to watch them. As science grows, people will continue to separate myths from facts, and more people will appreciate the beauty of these events instead of fearing them. The moon has always been a source of wonder, and a lunar eclipse is one of its most amazing shows. We now know that it is safe, natural, and a part of our cosmic dance with the sun and earth. Next time you see the moon turning red, do not be afraid. Enjoy the moment. Take a deep breath and remember that you are watching a celestial event that has amazed humans for thousands of years. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating videos about space and science.